Hello guys, today I'm going to show you something that you can do with Python. So with Python you can automate WhatsApp message. There is a lot of things that you can do, but I'm just gonna show you this simple method on how to automate a WhatsApp message. Let's say for example you want to send multiple of people WhatsApp message. So after that you can just write a code, and when you write a code it will do as it is. So let's begin with this code. I'm going to import my WhatsApp kit here in my Python web software. Let's begin. This is just an automation. It's just something that you can do when you are practicing. When you're practicing, then you're gonna be fine. It's not that much hard, but this is a starter whereby you can use just for practice, and people can see that okay, this person is doing what exactly, something that is interesting. Okay, normally it's okay. So now we're going to write a cell phone number. I'm gonna use my other cell phone number. We're gonna say is +27. Okay, it's fine. I'm not done. You're gonna see them. It's fine. I don't have a problem because they're my phone number. So now I will just write a message. I will just say successfully sent. Successfully sent by Python. So time, I'm not gonna, if you want to write it maybe on New Year 12 o'clock, I mean if you are good with programming and you do know Python, you do have these softwares, you can just automate. If you feel like you're gonna be drunk, or if you feel like you're gonna be sleeping or whatever, you can just write it with this. You sleep, then it's gonna do the work. Say for example, now I'm going to write a time. The time you check what is the time now in your phone is now is 10 past 2. I'm just gonna say 14, and then 10 past 2 I'm just gonna use 12 so that we can be accurate. I'm gonna run my code. When I'm running my code, it's gonna tell me if there are errors. It's going to in 84 seconds WhatsApp will open, and after 15 seconds message will be delivered. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open a browser. I'm gonna open a browser. When I open a browser, or even if I don't really open, it's gonna open itself. Then it's gonna make sure that it delivers. So let's just wait and see. Even if I don't really open it, you can see even my hands, I'm not doing anything. So let's just wait and see, because some people, they might say this guy is tricking us when they try and it does not work for them because they are missing some of your commands. "84 seconds. I think it's supposed to be done by now, but let's wait and see. I feel like I've been waiting. Okay, now it's opening my WhatsApp. As you can see, my hands is here. My hands are here. Now after opening WhatsApp, there is a message. It says it's gonna wait 15 minutes to deliver that message. We don't have to do anything. You don't have to press anything. Now the message is successfully sent. Successfully sent by Python. So if we check here, you will see that that message is there. So that's how you automate WhatsApp. So imagine in the same code, let me go there. You can add more numbers. Just that here, because I'm doing the demonstration, I'm not gonna use many of the number, but you can add more numbers. Then those numbers is gonna successfully send. So the question maybe now it might be to you guys, how can I send a picture or a video? Because you have to also know how to send a picture and a video, because like for example on New Year 12 o'clock, people normally they send pictures like Happy New Year. Some they send videos GIF. So how do you do that? That's a simple. So if you are a programmer, you can start digging out today. Thank you guys. Bye. Have a good day.